Hello world, in this video I am gonna show you how you can invert the shapes. Here I have this stencil type object. Objects with cutout inside are called compound path. This image is the best example of compound path. What people normally do is they either go inside the compound path mode and delete this rectangle. Or they simply delete the rectangle like this. But that method is wrong. You can see here it is still a compound path. It will prevent some effects like blend effect. So the right way to invert the shape is right click on release compound path. Both shapes are separate now. Layer panel also confirms that it is not a compound path anymore. You can do the reverse too. Draw another shape over the target. Select them both. Right click, make compound path. This method is very useful when you want to invert the complex silhouettes. If make compound path is not available, then you should use minus front from the Pathfinder panel. If you learned something new today, then please give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.